The increased recreational demand on our lakes is having adverse effect on their health as well. Even the current recreational equipment being used has more horsepower, ultimately creating more wave action and increasing turbidity through shoreline disturbance. Lakes are not only seeing a major increase in boating activity due to the continued development of lakefront property, but from the general public as well. Many individuals are purchasing watercraft for all types of interest and heading for the lakes. With the increased demand of our precious resource, we must do our part to educate all that recreate on Indiana lakes, from the weekend fishermen to the aggressive wakeboarders. They all have the potential to negatively impact bodies of water if they are not educated. Unfortunately, there are many other problems arising from the increased boating and fishing activity. It's the spread of invasive exotic plants and animals. While some of these plants are beautiful to look at, their aggressive nature makes them detrimental to the health of any shoreline, wetland, or lake. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, this problem is currently costing the United States $138 billion a year and continues to threaten all rivers and lakes. The total annual cost of invasive species to human societies worldwide is estimated to be in the hundreds of billions of dollars, including the cost of control, detrimental effects on human health, and the loss of agricultural production and ecosystem services. This enormous sum far exceeds the combined annual cost of all natural disasters. The spread of invasive aquatic plants and animals to inland lakes is growing at alarming rates due to uninformed hunters, fishermen, and boaters. Many of these plants are spread by fragmentation when parts of a plant become attached to your boat, decoy, or fishing gear, and are unintentionally transported to other lakes. It's recommended that you always clear your boat and trailer of all weed fragments before leaving or entering a lake. In fact, to effectively prevent the spread of these plants and animals, you should have your boat drained and cleaned with a hot water pressure washer, or leave the vessel out of the water for a minimum of 5 days. Even the live minnows used as bait can be a threat to a fishery. We ask that all fishermen discard unused minnows on land so as to not introduce harmful breeds of fish into a lake. In addition, we ask that you not introduce fish from other lakes, streams, or creeks into another body of water. There are fish diseases that could be spread by this process. Please leave stocking to the professionals.